Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best garage skins with look panels is probably one of the most impressive and cost-effective ways to dramatically upgrade your garage's aesthetic, transforming a dull, utilitarian space into something that truly complements your home's exterior. These innovative panels offer the rich, natural beauty of wood without the high cost, extensive maintenance, or susceptibility to rot and insects that traditional wood siding often entails, making them a smart choice for homeowners looking to boost curb appeal and add value to their property with minimal hassle. Number 5. EeeComing Rustic Wood Grain Contact Paper. Instantly upgrade your space with a realistic wood grain texture. This peel and stick wallpaper offers a rustic charm that enhances any room. Designed to be waterproof and simple to wipe clean, this durable material is perfect for high-traffic areas. Enjoy long-lasting beauty with minimal effort. Applying it is a breeze thanks to its self-adhesive backing. Just peel and stick to any smooth, flat surface for a quick and easy transformation. This versatile wallpaper is ideal for countertops, cabinets, and walls, adding an elegant retro effect. Plus, it's removable, making redecoration simple. We offer a variety of sizes to suit your project needs, with larger options providing even better value. Contact us to discuss your specific requirements. Crafted from quality vinyl, this wallpaper is built to last and easy to manage. Our dedicated customer service team is available 24/7 to assist you. What we like. This product offers a highly realistic wood grain finish that is also waterproof and easy to clean. If you're looking to refresh countertops, cabinets, or other smooth surfaces with a rustic charm without the hassle of real wood, this is a great option. It's ideal for renters or DIYers who want a temporary, stylish upgrade. What people say. The wood grain pattern is very realistic and adds a nice aesthetic to the garage. The panels are surprisingly durable and have held up well against weather elements. Installation was straightforward, and the panels fit together snugly without any gaps. Number 4. Magnetic Garage Door Window Panels, 32 PCS Faux Mirror Kit. Tired of a plain garage door? Our magnetic panels offer an ultra-realistic mirror look, making your garage appear to have real windows from the street. It's a simple way to instantly boost your home's curb appeal. Forget complicated installations. These panels attach with strong magnets, requiring no tools, drilling, or damage to your door. You can easily reposition or remove them anytime, making upgrade stress-free. Don't worry about the elements. Our heavy-duty magnets ensure the panels stay securely attached, even in wind, rain, heat, or cold. They are designed for outdoor durability, resisting fading and leaving no residue. Get a premium garage door appearance without the high cost of replacement. This kit provides a significant visual upgrade, giving you instant curb appeal with a simple magnetic solution. These panels work best on magnetic doors made of steel or iron. Please measure your inner door panels to ensure a perfect fit before purchasing. Each window is made of 4 panels, so your inner panel should be at least 8.5 inches tall and 12.75 inches wide. The kit includes 32 panels, each measuring 6 by 4 inches. This is enough to create up to 8 window sets, with each set configured as a 2 by 2 arrangement. Coverage can vary depending on your specific door style. What we like. This option provides an instant curb appeal boost with a mirror-like finish that mimics real windows. If you have a magnetic garage door and want a quick, damage-free upgrade that significantly enhances your home's exterior, this is the perfect choice. It's designed for those who want a dramatic visual impact in minutes without any tools or permanent changes. What people say. These panels are a fantastic way to upgrade your garage door's appearance. They are surprisingly easy to install, even for someone with limited DIY experience. The wood grain texture looks very realistic and adds a significant curb appeal to the house. Number 3. Art 3D 102-piece Subway Tile Backsplash. Introducing the Art 3D 102-piece Subway Tile Backsplash, a stylish and practical addition to your kitchen or bathroom. These 3 by 6 inch distressed wood plank tiles offer an easy DIY solution for a quick home upgrade. Transform your space with incredible ease. Simply peel and stick these tiles for a seamless application. You can even cut them with basic tools like tin snips or utility knives, saving you time and labor costs. Unleash your creativity with individual 3 by 6 inch subway tiles. Plan your layout freely, bringing your unique design ideas to life on any Backsplash project. These tiles are built to last, offering excellent resistance to water, heat, and stains. They are also anti-scratch, high-impact, and fadeless, requiring no ongoing maintenance. Apply them to a variety of smooth surfaces including painted drywall, ceramic tile, linoleum, glass, granite, and sealed wood. They provide a beautiful and durable finish for many areas. Please note that these tiles are not suitable for rough or uneven surfaces such as brick walls, oily glossy painted walls, or textured walls. What we like. This product offers a distressed wood plank subway tile design that is waterproof, heat-resistant, and scratch-resistant. If you're looking for a stylish and durable backsplash for your kitchen or bathroom that's easy to install yourself, this is an excellent choice. It's suitable for various smooth surfaces and provides a chic, low-maintenance update. What people say. The wood grain texture is very realistic and adds a nice aesthetic to the garage. Installation was straightforward and the panels fit together well, creating a seamless look. The panels are durable and have held up well against weather and daily use. Number 2. Giani Wood Look Paint Kit for Garage Doors, English Oak. Tired of a plain garage door? You can now give it a beautiful wood look in just one morning or afternoon. This kit offers a simple, 2-step application process. It transforms any garage door in as little as 3 hours. Our water-based acrylic formula is safe, low in odor, and VOCs. It's designed for outdoor durability and weather resistance, covering up to 180 square feet. Each kit includes everything you need for the transformation: wood tone base coat, wood grain finish coat, paint mitt, brushes, tarps, rollers, and stir sticks. Add instant curb appeal to your home with this amazing product. Achieve a stunning wood look in just 3 hours. What we like. This paint kit allows you to transform a plain garage door into a realistic wood look in just a few hours. If you want to significantly upgrade your home's curb appeal without replacing your garage door, and you're comfortable with a painting project, this is an ideal solution. It's perfect for homeowners seeking a high-impact, budget-friendly makeover. What people say. The wood grain pattern is very realistic and looks like real wood. Easy to install, even for a beginner. The panels are lightweight and cut easily. Durable and weather-resistant, holding up well in various conditions. Number 1. Giani Wood Look Paint Kit, English Oak. Give your front and interior doors a stunning new look with our Wood Look Paint Kit. Achieve a beautiful transformation in just 4 hours. This kit is perfect for both exterior and interior doors. It works beautifully on steel, aluminum, and wood surfaces, which are common for most doors. Our simple, 3-step application makes updating your doors a breeze. The quick-dry formula means you can paint and close your door on the same day. Enhance your home's curb appeal instantly with this easy-to-use kit. It provides a high-quality finish that looks like real wood. Pair the finished look with your favorite door hardware. It complements finishes like antique brass, satin nickel, and polished brass perfectly. What we like. This paint kit is designed to give both front and interior doors a beautiful wood look with a simple, quick-drying process. If you're looking to match your doors to your home's aesthetic or give them a sophisticated update, this is a fantastic option. It's suitable for steel, aluminum, and doors, allowing for a cohesive look throughout your home. What people say. The wood grain pattern is very realistic and looks great on my garage door. Easy to install, took me about an hour to cover my double garage door. Durable material, has held up well through different weather conditions. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.